students?
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
Good.
Okay, thank you. Welcome to our English lesson. We are glad to see you people. Before the start our lesson, I know colors. Example, you saying your color. Example, it's green, it's red, it's purple. Okay? Stand up. Stand up, pupils. Бір-бірлеп ала қойыңдар. Ала қойыңдар. Sit down. Так, бір-бірлеп айтып шығайық сөздерді алып. Saying the color, people. It's green. Red. What was the color?
Pink.
Pink. Excellent. Green. Purple. Excellent. Blue. Pink. Pink. Blue. Excellent. Pink. Green. Yellow. Okay, students. Good job. What was your home task, people? What was your home task? Үйге тапсырма не бердім? Numbers, yes? Так, бір-бірлеп таңдап, таңдап. Ja, қандай? 4. Excellent. 1. Айтауға қандайсың? 2. Расул? 10. Good job. Excellent. Қойыңдар тастарына. Қой. Two. Excellent. Okay. 1. Okay, good job, pupils. Бірге санайықшы, бәріміз бірге санайықшы.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, good job. Okay, children. The aims of the lesson, pupils, to enrich the students' knowledge about language countries and the development communicative skills and abilities. Today's new topic, pupils, welcome to my Kazakhstan. Welcome to my Kazakhstan. Okay, repeat after me, pupils. Kazakhstan is a big country. Meaning Kazakhstan is a big country. This is my flag. Бұл менің туым. It's yellow and blue. Excellent. The president of Kazakhstan, Kassym-Jomart Tokayev, yes? This is Nur-Sultan. Is the capital of Kazakhstan. It is the capital of Kazakhstan, yes? Бұл біздің бас қаламыз ғой, солай ма? Okay, let's read, translate, and learn. It's a new words. Country, ел, capital city, бас қала, president, flag, two. This is my, мынау менің. This is my country, this is my capital city, this is my president, this is my flag. Okay, students. Look at the picture. What is this?
This is my flag.
Flag. Excellent. What is this?
This is my blanket.
Okay, good job. What is this? This is my country. Okay. It's a game. Mosaic. Мен сендерге мозаика деген ойын ойнаймыз қазір. Так. Flag. Бәйтерек. And the country. Okay, children, look at the blackboard. Келе қояйық. Okay. Бірінші топ келсін. Аха. Келіп тағы қойды. Шықтай. Я ортаға ұстай ғой. Шықпама. Аха. What is this?
This is my flag.
Бәріміз бірге.
This is my flag.
Қандай түсте бұл?
Blue.
Blue and the тағы? Yellow. Okay, good job. Thank you, sit down. Бәйтерек. Бәйтерек. What is this?
This is my blanket.
Бәйтерек. Okay, good job. Excellent. Thank you, sit down. Thank you, sit down. Yes. What is this? This is country. Yes. Country. Okay, good job, students. Okay, children, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Vamos, Elise. Guys, look at me. Look at me, people. What is this? Good. Sun.
Sun.
famous